Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026, how to properly sign in to 3D warehouse and download the models. So you can click the 3D warehouse icons in the top here, and then you can click sign in. So it will be moved to the browser to sign in into the Trimble. I will use the Google account, so you can click continue with Google. We're waiting to sign in. After signing in, it will be show for the 3D warehouse in your SketchUp. Now you can find your contents by using the search bar here, or you can scroll down to preview all objects. Like in here, I will search for the chair. Now we can click search, and we're waiting to searching for the chairs in this 3D warehouse. So you can scroll down to see. Like as example, I will download these objects. You can click the download button and then click yes to load into your SketchUp model. We're waiting to downloading, and you can click to the SketchUp to attach the model. So that's it for a basic SketchUp 2026, how to sign in into 3D warehouse and download the model.